Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this used Toyota Yaris. This Yaris is powered by a 1.5 litre petrol hybrid engine that produces 114 brake horsepower with automatic transmission. It's finished in this red paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 17-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Moving into the boot and you'll find the Yaris offers decent space for everyday use alongside folding rear seats and a parcel shelf. Into your rear seating, you find the interior to be fitted with this cloth and leather trim seating, which feature ISOFIX mounting points. Moving into the cabin, you find your front seat with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as cup holders and storage inside the armrest. From the multifunction steering wheel, you can access a range of driver assist features and controls for your cockpit display and touchscreen display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. And Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is also available, allowing you to mirror your device's applications such as navigation and music streaming. Beneath the display on your car's climate control system. And this Yaris comes equipped with parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Toyota Yaris that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.